When is Layer.build invoked in source code in keras? Every derived class of layer class in keras has build definition. Build is place where we assign weights to the keras layer. When is this function invoked internally? I am unable to find any piece of code which may be calling it. In _call_ of layer class at topology.py:580, we call self.build, but it will be invoked only when self.built equals true. That is always set in self.build, which in turn will be invoked only when self.built is true.
You've missed not in the condition, source code, which basically means build if not already. By the way, build is also called in count_params method, again with a guard, source code.